Hey, thanks for joining me. Today, we're going to talk about something really important, a hidden gap in retirement planning that, honestly, most people don't see until it's way too late. It's the gap between the retirement you think you're saving for and the one you actually get to live. So let's dive right in.
All right, let's start with a big question. Just take a second and picture your own retirement. What comes to mind? Is it a time for, scaling back, cutting corners, and needing less? Or is it a time for finally having the freedom to do all the things you never have time for right now?
Yeah, I'm guessing for most of you, it's all about that freedom, right? Retirement isn't supposed to be about cutting back. It's about finally having the time to travel, to really be there with your family, and to just enjoy life without that constant worry about money. It's about gaining freedom, not giving it up.
And that right there, that's where we hit a snag. Because most traditional retirement plans have this hidden gap between the lifestyle you're dreaming of and the income they actually provide. Let's take a closer look at what this gap really is.
Here it is. This is the number that really tends to shock people. Most retirement plans were never actually designed to replace 100% of your working income. And what that means is people often end up with a 30 to 40% gap.
This chart really spells it out perfectly. So think of that big bar as your income while you're working. That's 100%. Now, for many people, Social Security and pensions, well, they might only cover 60 or 70% of that. That empty space at the top, that's the income gap, and that is a significant drop-off. So let's make this real for a second. Imagine it's day one of your retirement, and your income suddenly drops by a third. What would that actually change for you? Would that impact your travel plans? Your ability to help out your kids or grandkids? Your overall peace of mind? It's a huge adjustment to make overnight.
So you might be asking, well, how does this happen? Especially if I've been a diligent saver. It happens because many plans just fail to account for four, let's call them unseen obstacles that can create a ton of uncertainty.
And these are the big four right here. First, liquidity. Can you actually get to your money for an emergency without getting slammed by penalties? Second, stability. Is your principal, your hard-earned money, protected if the market takes a nosedive? Third, tax impact. How much of your savings is truly yours versus what you're going to owe the IRS later? And finally, income clarity. Do you know with absolute confidence what your monthly paycheck will be? And all of this leads to that nagging feeling in your gut. Even people who feel like they've done everything right, they've saved consistently, they've invested, they still have this feeling of uncertainty. They've got a nest egg, but they're not really sure how secure it is. Let me ask you this, point blank. Looking at your current savings right now, do you know with confidence how much real, spendable monthly income it's going to produce for you in retirement? For most people, the honest answer is, I'm not really sure.
All this uncertainty tells me we might have been asking the wrong questions all along. So let's reframe this whole conversation. Let's talk about a smarter framework that actually focuses on what really matters for a secure retirement. This is a fundamental shift in how we think. We have to stop asking, how much have I saved? That's just a number on a piece of paper. The real question, the only one that truly matters, is how much of my savings can I actually use? Reliably, predictably, and without getting killed by risks and taxes. So this new framework is built on four key pillars. We need liquidity for life's curveballs, safety to protect our principal from losses, some smart growth to outpace inflation, and all of it has to lead to one thing: a clear path to predictable, spendable income, the money you actually get to live on. This chart really visualizes one of the biggest blind spots for people, and that's taxes. You look at your 401k or your IRA balance, and it's easy to think that huge number is all yours. But the reality is, with a tax-deferred account, a pretty significant chunk of that money is already earmarked for a future tax bill. And let's be crystal clear about what this means. Tax-deferred is not tax-free. It's tax later. It just means you're postponing the inevitable. That bill is waiting for you in retirement. And hey, if tax rates go up between now and then, that bill could be even bigger than you think. And then, beyond taxes, there's market risk. This timeline tells a familiar story. Everything feels great during the growth years when the market is climbing. But what happens if the market takes a sharp dive right as you're about to retire? Or even worse, right after you retire? The timing of those losses can have a devastating impact on how long your money lasts.
Okay, I know that can all sound a little scary, but here is the good news. Just understanding these challenges is the first step towards solving them. There is a path to clarity, and it's all about optimizing the financial future you're already building. The key is to know that specific strategies actually exist to deal with these issues. By structuring your finances the right way, you can improve your liquidity, protect your principal from downturns, become way more tax efficient, and create a more predictable, lifelong income stream.
And I really want to emphasize this. This is not about replacing what you're doing or starting from scratch. It's about optimizing the hard work you've already put in. It's about making your money work smarter for you, not just harder.
So let me just leave you with this final question. If there were a way to structure your retirement so that your income didn't have to drop by 30 or 40%, a way that could give you more flexibility and more freedom, is that something you'd at least want to take a look at?
If the answer is yes, then taking the next step is super simple. You can use any of the options you see on the screen to connect for a quick, complimentary pension and retirement review. There's zero pressure. It's just a way to see if your finances can be structured more efficiently for the future you actually want.
The whole goal is simply to help you get clear on your future and gain that peace of mind. Thank you so much for watching.